Hello everyone, how are you doing?
Welcome back.
So tonight or today, I always say this. Tonight. Every day I always say tonight because I work every night. So it's for you to say to everyone good morning, alright? Because you work in the morning, you say good morning to everyone. I work in the evening, so I say good evening to everyone, okay? So today I'm gonna do my favorite cocktail. My favorite cocktail is whiskey sour. So let's do it, a nice whiskey sour for you too. I know that you have whiskey at home, just need a few ingredients. If don't, it's really easy to get it, alright? Don't worry. You can take something from your neighbor, don't worry. Okay? So, for this recipe you're gonna need a few ingredients. Whiskey. For whiskey sour, usually you use bourbon, so I have a few bourbon examples, Jack Daniels, Jim Beam, you can find different ones, but for today, I'm gonna use nice Japanese whiskey from Japan, nice Enzo. So whiskey, you have it. Now some sugar, you can use simple syrup or you can use normal sugar, and lemon or lime. So use it both or what you have at home. Alright? So, don't be worried, everything okay. And then optional, in my version, I'll also put some bitters on it. Don't worry if you don't have it. Just follow my recipe, alright? So, let's start it with the cheapest part, alright? It's sugar, okay? Why I'm gonna put, I know that you don't have sugar syrup, so I'm gonna use normal sugar, okay? And then putting first sugar, because you know, if you put first the whiskey and then sugar, it's gonna be really hard to dissolve, alright? So I put 2 spoons, but I like a little bit sweeter, so I'm gonna add a little bit more. So I have a nice coffee spoon, so you can just put 2-3 spoons of sugar, and then after with time, just do as your taste, okay? I'm gonna squeeze half a lime. If you have lemon, don't worry, just use it, don't worry, okay? And the recipe says lime, some says lemon. For me, is what you have on better. So I know that at home is easier to find some lemons, alright? So use lemon, okay? I squeeze half of lime because I got a lot of juice in there. If don't, then I will use the whole lime, because normally I find smaller ones and this one is quite big and it got a lot of juice. So now I'm gonna mix a little bit. I don't have a spoon with me, so I'm gonna squeeze the old-fashioned one. Alright, so then I dissolve now the sugar with the lemon juice. And now, when the sugar is dissolved, then I'm gonna add the whiskey, alright? You can use bourbon, typical. I'm gonna use, with a little twist, some Japanese whiskey, okay? I'm gonna use 60 milliliters. 60 milliliters of whiskey, okay? And then add 2-3 dashes of bitters. I love bitters, this is my best friend for cocktails, okay? And I have different bitters at home too. So orange bitters, you can find everything also in other places. Walnut, chocolate bitters. It's easy to do at home too. I already did some homemade bitters. Maybe I do a video about it, but for you maybe it's not so interesting. So, but if yes, comment below, right? So, in the time that I'm putting some ice, don't forget to subscribe in my channel. Oops. Subscribe in my channel and put the thumbs up, alright? And gonna shake it now, alright? It's rustic here, don't be worried. How are you feeling at home? How many weeks are you staying at home because of this quarantine time? Comment below. Oh, I'm already since off of March, so already 15th of March, already 5 weeks at home. So, but when this video comes out, so you can add already 1 week or 2, alright? So can imagine a few weeks at home. That's why I'm doing cocktails for you, and I hope you follow me, alright? Yeah, I hope you are really trying also this recipe. Here is gonna be rustic. I'm gonna put everything inside, right? I don't strain, I put everything with the ice inside the glass. Okay? Everything inside. Alright, so here we go. Now we're gonna have some garnish. So I have some lime, so I'm gonna use lime slice I have here. If you use lemon juice, then use lemon, alright? Don't waste your stuff, okay? So here we go. Just look at this. My favorite cocktail. Ooh, nice one. Perfect. So let's try this out. So. Zap face. This one is one of my favorites. I'm so relieved for doing this cocktail for you. This is really my favorite. So delicious, have a nice taste. Can't tell more. It's really refreshing for me. It's not sweet, it's sour. So, but it's really perfect for do it at home. You don't need any ingredients. So, enjoy it. And if you like it, thumbs up. Thank you very much for watching. Subscribe my channel. Comment below your favorite cocktails, alright? I'm gonna do it, alright? If you comment your favorite cocktails, I'm gonna do it for you. Because now every Wednesday I'm posting a new cocktail video, right? Every Wednesday at 6 in Germany, 6 p.m. and 5 p.m. in Portugal. Different regions, then I can tell better. So, but in Germany is at 6 p.m. Wednesdays, okay? Wednesdays are gonna post every week a new video, okay? So, comment below, don't forget. See if you try it also, give me a picture, I'm gonna repost it. And I'll also be happy if you do it for you at home at this time in quarantine. Because come on, how long are you in quarantine? Hope everything is okay with you and your family. Thank you and see you next time. Bye.